Hi, how you doing? So today we're going to make this incredibly beautiful and easy chicken curry with methi or fenugreek leaves. It really is delicious. Lots of coconut milk in there, some fantastic spices. Let's do it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so chicken. I've got 2 kg of chicken there. That's like 4.4 pound of chicken. Bone is in, skin is on, all mixed parts, chopped up. 1 large onion sliced, 500 ml or just under 1 pint of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, a nice heaped tablespoon of methi or fenugreek leaves, fresh chili, entirely up to you how much you put in. I've got some dried chilies there, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, fresh cilantro or coriander, tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green cardamoms, and then here our powders. Let's take a look. Always call these the big 4, don't I? So 2 teaspoons here of chili. I'm using a Kashmiri chili, turmeric, cumin, and coriander. We're going to start this off with some oil and of course add some salt. It's delicious. Okay, so here we go. I've got oil in there. There's quite a lot of oil I'm using for this one. Reduce it down if you want. We're heating it up, and in goes the tablespoon of cumin seeds, the 5 green cardamoms, and the dried chili. Now you want for a few seconds just to let them do their thing in there. They'll infuse that oil. You can use any oil you want. I'm using sunflower, but you can use, mustard, coconut, or even ghee if you wanted to. Perfect. Let's drop in our onion. And to that goes in all the chicken. There's quite a lot of chicken. Like I say, I've got 2 kg of chicken. And for 5 minutes on this high heat, keep this moving quite a bit, stirring pretty much all the time. We're well on our way to making a fabulous, fabulous chicken curry. This is looking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, this is a karahi chicken. Now, karahi just means the name of this pot. It doesn't have nothing to do with what you cook in it. The difference between a wok and a karahi is that a wok has got a round bottom on it, and a karahi has got a flat bottom. It also has several other names as well. But yeah, that's what the dish is called. It actually is named after the pot that you're cooking it in. Okay, let's get going. We're now going to drop in the garlic ginger paste. If you don't have garlic ginger paste, you can just chop some garlic and ginger in here. Let's add our fresh chilies. Up to you. Spices, big 4. I always call this the big 4. So a couple of teaspoons each of the chili, the coriander, the turmeric, and the cumin. Right, we're going to continue cooking for another 5 minutes. Stir it all the time now because you've got your powders in there and you don't want your powders to burn. If they burn, it will make it all taste bitter and we don't want that. So just keep it moving. This is going to be so, so good. We're now going to drop in 500 ml or just under a pint of coconut milk. Really delicious. Going to grab some salt and get that in there. And then we're going to add the methi, the leaves. Now what you do with this is you put it in your hand like so, get your other hand and rub your hands together. So you break it. It's got a very, very distinctive aroma to it and taste. That is lovely. Okay, we're going to lower the heat down to not a simmer, but just above a simmer. We're going to let this go now for 15 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. That is beautiful. Right, off goes the heat. Check that for salt. I'm going to add a nice big pinch of garam masala powder. I'm going to add some cilantro or coriander in there. And that is done. Job done. Absolutely beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Let me know that you're fine. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.